Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics of R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, example 6. The one instruction is that if you follow all of my videos regularly, you can go score good marks in board examination. So let's start. So the question is, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is either of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer m. So the solution we begin. So we will let x is equals to positive integer. So we will divide x by 3, as it is also in the form of, we can write in the form of 3 into 3m plus 8. So we are dividing with 3. So we will get remainder. So remainder, it can be either 0 or 1 or 2. So write it down. I will slide the slide. So, I have written 2 or not? Yes, I have written. So therefore, we will get 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So we have 3 cases. So case 1, so x is equals to 3q. So we will cube both sides. 3q whole cube. So we will write here cubing both sides. So we will get here 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, cube. So now we will take common. 9 will be common and 3 cube. So we are getting as, here we will take m is equals to 3q. So we will get x cube is equals to 9m. So moving towards case 2. So we will take x is equals to 3q plus 1. So x cube is equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So we will cubing both sides. Both sides. So we have learned in the lower classes a plus b whole cube formula. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So we can write it as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So x cube, so we will take this one as a and this one as b from this formula. So 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 cube cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3a square b. 3a square is 3 3s are 9 q square, 9 3s are 27 into b, 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9 q. So we are getting this, so we will arrange it in exponential form. 27 q cube plus 27 q square plus 9 q plus 1. So we will get here common. What will be common? 9q will be common, only 9 as common, so we can clarify it later. So 9 3s are 27q cube plus, it will be easier to solve, so that I am doing. If we will take 9q as common, then we will have a q outside the bracket and it will be not easy for understanding. So 9 3s are 27 q square plus q plus 1. So we will take here m is equals to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. So we will get x cube is equals to 9m plus 1. So we are done with case 2. Moving towards case 3. So case 3 will be x is equals to 3q plus 2. So we will again cube both sides. 3q plus 2 whole cube. So cubing both sides. So again we will use that formula, this formula. This formula we will use it again. I will not write it down again, so you can copy it in your notebook. So I will write, so a cube, so 3 3s are 9 3 are 27 cube plus b cube is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 plus 3a square b. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54 q square plus, so 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 9 4s are 36 q. So we will arrange in exponential form again. 27 q cube plus 54 q square plus 36 q plus 8. So we will again take common. X cube is equals to, so 36. 36 is not common. Here 9 is common. So 9 will be common. Okay, so 9 3s are 27. So 3q cube plus 9 6 are 54 q square plus 9 4s are 36 q plus 8. So we are getting x cube is equals to, so we will take m is equals to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So we will get 9m plus 8. Hence, we can write as x cube is equals to 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That's all for this question and for this video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will clarify it as soon as possible, or I will make the video for your doubt. And if you follow my video, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.